Today I am reviewing the JBL Tune 510BT. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with what matters most, the sound quality. These headphones are equipped with JBL's signature Pure Bass Sound, the same technology used in some of the world's most famous music venues. What does that mean for you? Expect deep, punchy bass that gives your music warmth and energy without overwhelming the mids and highs. Whether you're listening to hip-hop, rock, pop, or even podcasts, the sound remains full and rich across the board. It's impressive for headphones in this price range and easily outperforms many of its competitors. Now, let's talk about wireless performance. The JBL Tune 510BT features Bluetooth streaming, and what's really handy is the multi-point connection capability. You can pair it with two devices at once and effortlessly switch between them. Imagine listening to music on your laptop and then receiving a call on your phone. The headphones automatically switch over, so you never miss a beat or an important call. It's small features like this that make a big difference in daily use. Battery life is another area where the 510BT shines. These headphones deliver a whopping 40 hours of wireless playtime on a single charge. That's enough for a week of commutes, workouts, and workdays without having to plug in once. And when you do need to recharge, the speed charge feature comes to the rescue. With just 5 minutes of charging, you get up to 2 additional hours of playback. A full recharge only takes about 2 hours using the included Type-C USB cable. So if you're always on the go and hate the hassle of frequent charging, these are the headphones for you. Comfort is just as important as sound and battery, especially for longer listening sessions. The JBL Tune 510BT is designed with an adjustable headband to fit nearly any head size, and it features soft, padded ear cups that rest gently on the ears without putting too much pressure. It's important to note, though, that some users may initially find the fit a little snug. If that's the case, JBL recommends stretching the headband gently over a ball or something round and leaving it for about 24 hours. This helps loosen the grip without damaging the structure. Once adjusted, most users find them very comfortable, even for extended wear. Let's not forget the convenience features. The controls are all located on the right ear cup, and they're easy to access. You can play or pause music, adjust volume, skip tracks, and even answer or reject calls directly from your headphones. There's also a built-in microphone for hands-free calling, which comes in super handy whether you're on a Zoom call or chatting with a friend while walking. And here's a bonus. If you're using an iPhone or Android device, the headphones support voice assistant integration. Simply press the multi-function button to activate Siri or Google Assistant, and you can control your music, ask for directions, or check the weather, all without touching your phone. One of the best things about the JBL Tune 510BT is its portability. These headphones are foldable, which makes them easy to store in your bag, backpack, or even a jacket pocket. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or just heading out for a walk, they're compact enough to go wherever you go. So who are these headphones perfect for? If you're a student, a commuter, or someone looking for a reliable pair of everyday headphones without spending a fortune, the JBL Tune 510BT is a fantastic choice. They also make a great gift, whether it's for a birthday, graduation, or back-to-school season. They work great with both Android and iOS, making them a universal solution for just about anyone. To sum it up, the JBL Tune 510BT offers an excellent balance of sound quality, long battery life, comfort, and convenience, all at a price that's hard to beat. With up to 40 hours of playtime, deep bass, Bluetooth 5.0, multi-device pairing, and a sleek, foldable design, these headphones are proof that you don't have to spend a lot to get a lot. If you're in the market for affordable wireless headphones that check all the right boxes, the JBL Tune 510BT is absolutely worth considering.